Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Trello Butler rules for recurring checklists step by step clearly. Open Trello and log into your account. Navigate to the board where you want to verify your Trello Butler rules. Click on the automation menu located at the top of the board. Select Butler from the drop-down options. In the Butler dashboard, find the section titled Rules. Locate the rule you wish to verify for recurring checklists. Click on the rule to open its details. Review the triggers defined for this rule. Make sure the triggers align with your intended checklist recurrence. Scroll down to the Actions section of the rule. Check if the action is set to create a checklist as part of the process. Ensure the checklist items specified meet your requirements. If needed, edit any checklist items to refine your rule. Once satisfied, save any changes made to the rule. Test the rule by manually triggering it, if possible. Observe whether the checklist appears as expected. If the checklist doesn't appear, revisit the rule settings for any discrepancies. Consider consulting Trello's help resources for further assistance. Repeat these steps for any additional recurring checklist rules you have. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Trello Butler rules function correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.